Hi, I'm Claudia St. I'm the CEO and founder of the Workplace Advisors. We are your advisors for all things workplace related. I recently got off a call with a client who wanted to talk about retention strategies, some good ideas to help improve employee retention within her organization. We immediately started looking at the data, and I asked, well, what are your retention rates and what are your turnover rates? It was clear to me that maybe she didn't have a firm grasp on those two data points and why they differ. Retention are the number of people that stay in their jobs throughout a period of time. So let's say 85% of the people that started the year and ended the year with you, 85% would be your retention rate. And the number of people who you hire and leave, that's your turnover rate. But they're not directly related. For example, you could have a subset of your organization that's really hard to hire for, that people leave very early or they leave regularly. That could increase your turnover rate. So while you have an 85% retention rate that you might view as very positive, you may also have a problem with your turnover rate. So that's why we encourage you to calculate both of those. And even if you don't have an HRIS system that calculates it easily for you, you do have W-2s. You know how many people you started with and ended with. You know how many W-2s you issued in the course of a year. There are other ways of getting at this data that make it easy. The most important thing about getting the data is what stories are they telling you? I had a client who had a lot of turnover in one location and they did not understand. They didn't even realize that it was a problem with that location. And they didn't really understand why until they realized that the municipal bus service that went by that location was discontinued. So their employees were having a hard time getting to work. Another client I talked to, that was a janitorial company, and the cleaners at the end of the night, when they went to go to their parking lot, there was no light outside the parking lot. And so they had to walk in the dark to get to their cars or to their transportation. That was a safety issue. So the reasons why people are turning over, it could be a specific supervisor and manager that maybe needs some training. It may be a location, it may be the type of job. But if we just put in place broad strategies to solve employee retention without really looking at the specific subsets of challenges we have, then we can put a solution to a problem we don't have and not put a solution to a problem we do have. So I encourage you to get the data and look into it. What stories is it telling you? And check in with your employees to see what really is what they're experiencing on the ground. And you may learn a lot. Of course, at the Workplace Advisors, we're always here to help you. These are the kinds of calls I love to take. I love to imagine and explore and really dig in and figure out what's going on within different workplaces. So reach out to us at theworkplaceadvisors.com, hello@theworkplaceadvisors.com. Like us on LinkedIn, connect with us, and of course, if you ever need any help, we have an HR support plan that's only $139 a month, and we answer all of these questions for free. So I don't know why everybody's not subscribed to that, but it doesn't matter. Give us a call if you need our help. We're here to help. Take care.